decoding with my phone. I'm done. And this is drawing on canvas. In this video, we're going to learn how to draw a canvas clock. Canvas clock comes in two parts, that's part 1 and part 2. But in this video, we're only going to focus on part 1. So I'm just going to start by explaining the HTML document a little bit. Over here, I have my style tag. Instead of style tag, I have some CSS here, which is styling the body. And here is the script tag, which is linking my app.js file to the HTML document. And there is the title of the HTML document. And there I have the canvas here. The canvas has an ID of canvas and a width of 300 pixels, height of 300 pixels. And inside the canvas there's a text here. Your browser does not support the unified canvas. And this text is only going to display when the browser does not support the unified canvas. Now I'm going to move to the app.js file. And this is where everything is going to happen. Okay, so what I'm doing here is over here I need to get the canvas from HTML document. So I use canvas. I declare a variable to hook the canvas to. So here I use document.getElementById to get the canvas from the HTML document here, and the canvas to draw on the canvas. There is an object which holds the method and properties to draw on canvas. That's the context. So I got the context by using I got the context with the canvas.getContext2D, and I also need a radius, and my radius is canvas.height divided by 2. Here I translate the canvas with the radius that I have here. Now I modify the radius here by multiplying the radius with 0.90. And here is the function which is going to draw the clock. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to create the draw clock function. Draw clock function, and the draw clock function has 2 parameters, that's the context and the radius. Okay, now inside the draw clock function I'm going to call other functions. Okay, so I'm just going to call them here draw face, and this function is going to draw the face of the clock, and the function also needs 2 parameters, that's the context and the radius, and there will be another function too. So I'm just going to create the function here, draw numbers. This function also draws the numbers on the clock. Now I'm just going to comment this for the meantime and start with the draw face. So I'm going to create the draw face function here. I'm going to need here, I'm going to need a variable here, so I'm just going to declare the variable. Great. And the next thing I'm going to do here is begin a path and draw the canvas face by using the context 0. Radius 0. .pi is 2. The next thing we'll do here is to set the fill style to a color of white. Then I'm gonna fill. So this fill method is filling the white color into the arc. I'm gonna run this. We are not seeing anything, but very soon we're gonna see something here. So the next thing I'm going to do here is create a radar gradient. So just cut it off. Create radar gradient. So radius times 0.95. That will be too small. 1.05. I think this will do. Now I'm gonna add a color stop. So create, add color stop. The color stop has two parameters. That's the position and also the color. The position is range from 0 to 1. So the first position is going to be 1, and I'm going to specify the color here. And just copy this. So I'm going to modify this a little bit. So this is going to be 0 to 5, a color of white, and this is also I'm going to maintain this color. I just modify the position. Now the next thing I'm going to do is set the line width. Next thing I'm going to do is also set the stroke style. The stroke style is going to be equal to the gradient, the radar gradient that I created. And the last thing here, this is going to be stroke. This is the last one. On to the last one. The next, yeah. Now I have the 3D look-alike effect of the clock. That's the edge of the clock. So what I'm going to do next is draw the center point. So I'm just going to copy. I'm just going to copy this code and paste it. Yeah, I modify it. Just going to modify this, change the color, the fill style, and also this. Okay, so this is all for the draw face. The next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the numbers on the clock. So I'm going to create another function here called the draw lines. The function draw numbers instead. Inside this one, I will only need two variables. That's the angle and now, as I said earlier, this function is going to draw the numbers on the clock. The first thing I'm going to do here is align text center. Next thing I'm going to set a value for first baseline. So first baseline is going to have a value of middle. I also need to set a font for it. Okay. I also need to set a font for it. So the font is going to be medius times 0.5 plus pixel. Next thing I'm going to do here is to create a for loop. I've already declared the variable num here, so I'm just going to assign a value of 1 to it. Now num is going to be less than 13 here, and I'm going to increase num here, then num plus plus. So the next thing I'm going to do here is set the angle. So angle is going to be num times max dot by divided text. And I'm going to place the canvas by the angle of the result of the num times pi divided by 6 positive version of the angle. The next thing I'm going to do here is translate. Just translate. Sure. And minus of the radius times 0.85. Now I'm going to move this to the negative angle. Okay, so minus angle. The next thing here is to fill the text. So fill text is just going to draw the numbers on the clock face. Okay, so just call fill first. Fill text has 3 parameters here. That's the text. So the text, I'm just going to convert the numbers, the num value to a string data type. The num is a number. Okay, the data type of num is a number. So I'm going to convert it to a string. So a number to string, and I'm going to say the coordinate x to 0 and y to 0. Now I'm this before I continue to check if there's any error. Okay, so you see over here I have the 1 and 11 only appearing on the clock interface. The next thing to do to make sure the numbers are drawn at the right position is to date it again. So just copy this code, paste it down here. I'm going to rotate it again at the same angle, but this time translate it at a positive radius. So I'm going to try this again, and there I have the numbers drawn on the clock at the exact points that it should be. So this is how you can create a canvas clock. And as I said earlier, this is just the part 1, and in the next video we're going to continue the part 2, which is going to involve drawing the clock hands and also making the clock run like a real clock that you will see on your wall or you have in your house, you know. So this brings us to the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. If you have any comments, please make your comment at the comment section. If you have any suggestion or any other that you want to let me know, just do so at the comment section, and I'll be happy to receive your thoughts on this tutorial. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.